We'll guide you through how to add music to DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer, and make sure you're in the Edit workspace, which you can access by clicking on the Edit tab at the bottom of the screen. Next, you need to import your music file. Go to the Media Pool panel, which is typically located on the top left of the interface. Right-click inside the media pool and select Import Media. Navigate to the folder where your music file is stored, select the file, and click Open. Now that your music file is imported, you can add it to your timeline. Simply drag the music file from the media pool down to the timeline area. Make sure you drop it onto an audio track. If there isn't an audio track available, you can create a new one by right-clicking in the timeline area and selecting Add Track. Then choose Add Stereo Track. Once the track is created, you can drop your music file onto it. Position your music file in the timeline to sync it with your video clips. You can use the playhead to preview how the music aligns with your video. If you need to adjust the volume of the music, click on the audio track in the timeline, and then open the inspector panel on the right side of the screen. Here, you can adjust the volume slider to increase or decrease the audio level to match your project needs. If you want to add fade-ins or fade-outs to your music, hover over the beginning or end of the audio clip in the timeline until you see a small white handle. Click and drag it inward to create a fade effect. This can help create a smoother transition in your audio. And that's it. You've successfully added music to your DaVinci Resolve project. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.